impilo nanki izinto ayigijima ayigubuka sasoshuka osakruka ayibaningi abakhala ngebhura ngokusuka sitholi uba funa ukuphuma funa ukugrova funa imula ilelula anginalutho anginakhokho bese stoko short ibolo namamitha nansi fila ayibonina nangutira wenza inkinga ngokuphila nanki impilo nanki izinto ayigijima ayigubuka sasoshuka osakruka ayibaningi abakhala ngebhura ngokusuka sitholi uba funa ukuphuma funa ukugrova funa ukuphuma funa ukugrova funa imula phile lula anginalutho anginakhokho bese stoko short ibolo namamitha nansi fila ayibonina nangutira nanki impilo nanki izinto ayigijima ayigubuka sasoshuka osakruka.
Sithokoze bona namhlanje sibe nawe singena ngengoma yakho emnandi yesihloko esithi umalume ongakhuzeki. Sithatha lelithuba ke bona sikwamkele sibawabona uzithuleke mina kwethu ngendlela yakho.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu sanibonani igama lami ngingusiphamandla ngihlala eMelo eMpumalanga. Okay, so basically nginomnyaka ongango 12 years ngenza music kade ngiwenza music, so baningi abantu abanye abawaziyo abanye abawazi, but ngike ngithande ukuthi ngiziphushe nami ngoba ngifuna wonke umuntu angazi, ngoba sinale situation lana yokuthi umuntu akasebenzi and unekhono lokwenza music kodwa inkinga nalo music wakhona awu generate income. Somehow I am also forced ukuthi ngiyekele loyo music because of those terms and I am not ready to leave.
Okay, ke sithokoze goduke bona sicocisane nawe namhlanje njengoba sizokhuluma ngomvumo wakho sibawona usibeke esithombeni ngalesikhathi usakhula bona bomuntu onjani ukhule uthanda umvumo bulalela umvumo onjani bese usitshele nangokuthi buneminyaka emingaki lapho wanaka khona ukuthi nawe uyafuna vele ukuthi ube mvumi ngelinye ilanga. Ngifuna siphendule umbuzo lo ngaphambi kokuthi singene embuzweni wengoma esivule ngayo, kodwa ke nje sibawa ukwazi ngconywana nokho ukuthi njengoba siyizwa iquality yengoma esiceda ukuyidlala kusuka kuphi ekutheni uthande ungena ku music industry.
Okay, ngiyabonga. Empeleni kimi engakusho ukuthi akekho umuntu thizeni like engasho ukuthi ngibhekele kuyena ezin okuphakathi kule industry, kodwa nje imotivation yami ngiyithola cishe ekusokoleni kwami engidlule kona. Ngishonelwe umama ngangina 2 years, so ngasho ukuthi empeleni angimazi. Then ubaba wakwazi ukungikhulisa ke waba nokuthi nginaleyo nhlanhla ngathola istep mother. Kwathi 2014 ubaba washona wathola icar accident, so umama ukwazile ukungikhulisa until namhlanje. Well angeke ngisho okuningi, ngasho nje ukuthi cha ungikhulisile ungikhulise kahle futhi ngiyabonga nothando. Then bese kuukuthi la eqaleni umusic ngiqale ukuthi ngangiswele umuntu engakhulumisana naye, umuntu engamtshela inkinga zami, so kwase kuyenzeka ukuthi ngahlala ngelinye ilanga ngalalela ingoma eyodwa ya Nasty C Juice Bag. Ngaqhazwa nje chorus la khona elathi am I ever gonna quit, hell nah.
Yeah.
La ngichaza kakhulu ke lelo chorus lelo la ngimotivate impela ukuthi hayi kumele nami ngike ngizame ukuthi ngingene ku music ngithole ukuthi abantu ba recorda kanjani kwenzakalani. So then ngase ngithola umngani owangihlanganisa nomuntu wakhona khona ngale la bengivakashe khona emakhaya eDontoni, wathi hayi asize ngapha singene ngapha mina kunomuntu wami engimaziyo orecordisayo ucheap ke na umfona, it was a price of 10 rand. However ngoba besibanqane by that time besingabheka izinto ezifana nama quality, izinto ezifana nalezo, we were only recording for the sake ukuthi at least nathi sibe nengoma ukhulume phezulu kwento ekhona ukuthi hayi I'm a musician, kungabi into ukuthi uyasho nje ukuthi you're a musician. Then I was able to buy my own studio 2020, yeah, whereby I only started with a laptop engangiphiwe umamami. It was not that good, but then ngadownloada iFS Studio ngafunda ukuthi okay recordwa kanjani through YouTube, ama masterings and all those things. So izinto eziningi nje ngizifunde throughout YouTube.
Yo, okusho ukuthi so neminyaka eyingakhi usebenza e-studio sakho uthoma ukugadangisa umvumo kuze kube nje.
In my own mentality, if I'm not mistaken, I think I have 5 years of recording my own songs whereby I do my own mastering. Basho bantu ukuthi iyabheda ingoma enjena, too much reverb, the voices are too high, no voices are too low. Wonke lama comments lawo iwona kwazile ukuthi angenze lo muntu enguye namhlanje njengoba senginesami studio nje endlini.
Usakhuluma ngawo ama comments siyazi ke esikhathini esiningi kunabantu abakhuluma izinto ezicedana umoya ugcine sele ukhwitha wena ngiyabona ngendlela ocho nangayo bona asebenzile kuwe ukwenza umuntu lo onguye. Ungathanda ukuthini ebantwini abatsha abathi nabalalele ama comments avela kwabanye abantu bese umuntu afune ukuyilisa into ehla yenzako?
Oh okay, ngiyabonga lapho. Well basically ngisho ukuthi kubantu abanengi mina umbono wami ukuthi don't listen ukuthi abantu bathini when they talk bad, rather take the bad to motivate yourself. Uzibuze ukuthi wena why are they saying this, ba wrong yini by saying that. Don't let them drop you down, bangakudekeli phansi ukuthi ugcine sowuyekela izinto ozithandayo because ufuna ukuimpress abanye abantu. Rather focus on yourself, wenze lento wena oyithandayo so that if anything happens you know who to cry to because i-fault eyakho. But nakungomunye umuntu uzogcina so blame umuntu and ukuthi nalomuntu omblame awumazi.
Nakwethu kuzwakele sizokuyokuthengisa nje isikhathi sethu sincancazana ngoba kusele imizuzu eli10 mara ke ngifuna emva kwentolo sikhulume ngengoma yakho esiceda ukuyidlala nje. Asithome ngentolo umlaleli siyabuya sizokuhlabela phambili nomnakwethu nekunguye ke umvumi wethu ilanga la namhlanje ehlelweni lethu.
Ikundla yabavumi. Wa Roots Butchery imtitilizo udeda ngendlale kuGalo.
Uma ufuna ukuzitapela kule mtitilizo bavakashele uOtto BMW Center 114 Kirk Street Ermelo. Roots Butchery, it's your choice. It's your choice.
Lona ngudada waboka Joyce uvule esalon exhaswe imali yokudayisa amagwinya enziwe ngestof segas esikhokhelwe ngeloni yakwa Kevin eyathathwa nguJoyce. Joyce is not alone kodwa uxhasa umphakathi wangakubo ngeside hustle yakhe. Thola iloni yakwa Kevin online noma isiphi isitolo sakwa Pep noma sakwa Ackermans. uKevin ngabe bolekisi bezimali ababhalisiwe kunemigomo nemibandela. Plan smart, think Kevin.
Yazi ngivakatshele bentwana kodwa nababuthanda uburotho namachachacha alongenze njani ngizabaphani nabavuka ekuseni.
Hawu watatazela kanti umazi yini Auntie BC?
Ngubani kanti uAuntie BC?
uAuntie BC kutholakala amakhekhe kuye ulapha eWesselton ngasePark e358 kuGalandi Street. Kutholakala kule nombolo 083 766 8316. Udla amabili nje isisuntswi. Iphakethe nje u5 liter, u10 liter, u20 liter.
Angisamochi isikhathi sengigijimela khona kwaAuntie BC.
Amakhekhe amnandi kaAuntie BC ehle siphundu.
Phola nathi.
Sesilungiselela ke ukuyisonga la ngikhamisana kamnandi no Mac Venus Kid. Mac Venus sivule ngengoma yakho yesihloko esithi umalume ongakhuzeki. Ingoma oyigadangise nini iphume nini ingoma le begodu ke ungasitshela nangayo ngokungezelelweko ngesihloko sayo?
Ngiyabonga. Ingoma lena ke umalume ongakhuzeki ngisebenzisana nabafana lana uMK Music starring the DJ, then ngasho ukuthi basically in terms of ama beat esandleni sama beat MK no starring the DJ babe nesandla kakhulu lapho, and then in terms of ama vocal masterings kube yimi lapha nokubhala ama lyrics. I write my own lyrics. Ingoma lena iphume I think last month kodwa bese sengakayidrop kuma platforms wonke. So however ngike ngayidropa day before yesterday ngithole feedback namhlanje engitshelile ukuthi album yami yaphuma namhlanje so basically abantu bazoyithola zonke lezi ngoma lezi kuwo wonke ama platforms ngo12.
Ngiyezwakala. Umvumo wakho uthengisa kanjani ebantwini? Abantu bazingani ukuthi kuno Macvinius Kid eMelo la owenza umvumo ochisako, ingakhani kunama gig la ubizwa khona ukhambe bese uperformela abantu?
Empeleni in terms of amagigi umuntu uyasokola kakhulu nje, ngisho nami ukuthi anginawo amandla ukuthi ngizitholela ama event ngokwami because idolobha lethu indawo enqane so ngicine ngingazi ukuthi ngiye kuphi nakuphi, so cishe la ngiphokophela khona kakhulu ukuthi ngiye kuma local clubs indawo kanjalo like Oloft kanje na zonke lezi ezinye indawo ezikhona ngifike ngizicelela ievent. But then bese kuukuthi ke in terms of abantu abasuke baselokishini esingazi ngabo ngithembela ukuthi bongibona maybe khona lapha ku Google noma one of those events engisuke ngikhona khona lapho naye akwazi ukungibiza kweyakhe maybe ashada or wenza ini party akwazi ukungibiza because ingoma zothando ingoma zomgroove ngiqula konke mina ngi-vocalist yamapiano ne-hip hop kodwa angikhethi ngenza yonke into. If unginikeza ibeat le-afro pop uthi ngena la ngiyakwazi ukubhala ngiyakwazi ukwenza yonke into kuyo wonke ama-beat just engikuthandayo mina amapiano ne-hip hop.
Ngizwakala mna kwethu sele ngemzuzu emhlanje kwaphela ngingazi mhlambe kukhona ungathanda ukusizakala kikho nokuqhakathekile kuwe obona kwangazi uthi kungachova kukuchovele epumelelweni nakho ekutheni umvumo wakho uzwakale endaweni eziningi eSouth Africa, mhlambe ubona kwangayini engakuvulela iminyango wena njengomuntu omutsha?
Ngiyabonga. Okay, mina ngokubona kwami benginesicelo kahle athi ngisho kanjalo ngingathi ngokubona kodwa benginesicelo ukuthi ngithole usizo from ama community members by streaming izingoma zami. If kunendawo maybe let's say ufuna umuntu ne host party nomuntu enifuna ukumsurprise ngoba ngiyazi zikhona izinto ezikanje ukuthi ayisifuna ukumsurprise usibani simhosteli party simbizele noma artist nathi kuma local artist I believe ukuthi likhona italente liningi. Ngibelieve ukuthi ligcwele khona futhi ku local italent ngoba mangithi ngithatha ukubheka esikhathini esiningi abantu abaningi abasala kule industry sebaya ngokuthi bona baphakathi ku industry ingoma zabo azisafani nathi thina esilanga ngaphansi esisafuna ukubona.
Sure. Aloke kufanele ke usale usichiyela ke inkundla zakho zokuthindana la bangakuthola khona nangabe bafuna ukubhuka ukuthi uyoba performela.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Well ngiyatholakala kuona wonke ama platforms, ningangisesha ku Facebook ke cishe igama khona la lihluke khona bangibiza ngoGrootman Butmadla zonke bese ukuthi lawa amanye ama platforms nguMacvinius Kid. Inamba yami is 081 852 1028 081 8521028. Mangabe ungangitholi ku number yami ungangithinta na ku email yami @macviniuskid@gmail.com. However uMacvinius Kid wakhona is MACVINIOUSKIDD. Kodwa ke kuma email kusuhlukile abokudibha kuzobafake babe bathathu instead of ababili. And then uzothi @gmail.com ke uzokwazi ukungithumelela ama email or ungithinte enambeni yami ngiyatholakala.
Ngiyezwakala siyaphuma ke njenganje siyasonga Macvinius Kid sithokozile simhathweni kwa FM ehlelweni Phola Nathi bona sicocisane nawe elangeni lanamhlanje. Sitshela ngengoma yakho ke esiphuma ngayo nje usinikele isihloko sayo bese sizokwazi bona sivala.
Yo le ngoma lena yazi nangikhuluma nangayo ingithinta kakhulu umoya because ngiyibhale nami ngingazi ukuthi ngizothi ngibhala ini. Yabona kunengoma ezithi uyazibhala mani uyihlelele nje one of the good days uthi I think express ngike ngihlale ngibhale and then turns out to keep something ezokuchaza now. So I really relate to this song mina because into eziningi ezibhalwe lapha kule ngoma izinto ezenzakalayo empilweni yami. So igama lengoma I pray for nginomdala and then there's another artist futhi ongekho ke kule demo today engiphethe. However uyashoda yena ekugcineni, so sisalinde yena athi kuyiphesha naye esayidini lakhe simuzwe ukuthi uphetheni, then sizokwazi ukuthi sidistribute kuwo wonke ama platform.
Awuzwa ke mlaleli ekhaya, siphuma ngayo ingoma le ayichoko Macvinius Kid. Sithokozile kuba nawe namhlanje mina kwethu ne.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu bhuti mama.
Yeah. Yeah, it's Kid, babies. Yeah, you know. There's too many dreams where I came from. I got great things I can't get far. I got too many sisters and brothers that I pray for. Too many roses to riches, that's why I came home. There's too many dreams that I came from. I got great things I can't get far. I got too many sisters and brothers that I pray for. Too many roses to riches, that's why I came home. These days I came to realize for everything you pay the price. I play the role, you bring the eyes. Make my mama really proud. Get my homies on the ground, just show the world who we are. These days I had to compromise, cause soon enough I'm out of town. I've been out there in the white, asking people for advice. How to make my friends proud, cause making money ain't enough. I ain't ready for the night. What if no one comes around, cause I ain't never seen the sun. I'm not pushing for a while. I remember way back when my nando came west. Everybody shine my nando and I wish the same day. Get the rest to join me, everybody hell yeah. There's too many dreams where I came from. I got great things I can't get far. I got too many sisters and brothers that I pray for. Too many roses to riches, that's why I came home. There's too many dreams that I came from. I got great things I can't get far. I got too many sisters and brothers that I pray for. Too many roses to riches, that's why I came home. Too many dreams that I came from. I got great things I can't get far. I got too many sisters and brothers that I pray for. Too many roses to riches, that's why I came home.